Welcome back, students. Today we shall study Chapter 2, Understanding Secularism. Now, today's topic is why is it important to separate religion from the state? Now, again, feedback I am going through. What do you mean by secularism? It means state, that is, political institution, does not promote any religion, does not favor any religion officially. Number one, in secular state, all the religious groups of people, every individual, every Indian citizen has fundamental right to practice their own religion, right to freedom of religion. Yes, all may prosper in their own beliefs and practices. Yes, now here we have seen that as state as a political institution does not favor, does not promote any group of religion, any single group of religion, he political institution as a state, it does not favor. Yes. Now, state and religion, they both are separate. They both keeps distance from one another. So our topic is why it is important to separate religion from the state. Now, we have already discussed the most important aspects of secularism is its separation of religion from the state power. Now here, our topic, I am going to explain some of the points. Secularism, separation of religion from the state power. Now number one, to function democratically, it is most important. When we talk about democratically, means our political institution we are discussing here. Yes, now India is a secular state, India is a sovereign state, Indian state is a democratically functioned. Now we give importance to public in the democratic form of government. So it is most important to keep religion separate and state separate. Yes. Now, next is to prevent religious minority from the tyranny of the majority. Now, tyranny means very cruel act, very unjust. Now, any group of any religious group, you assume that it came on power, it holds power. It is the possibility that that particular religious group who is holding power at the center may misuse power, may create tyranny, may discriminate minority groups, may create coercion. So many possibilities there. If state or religion, they will not be separate. Yes, it is important to prevent religious minority from the tyranny, from the cruelty of the majority. If any one majority of religious group come into power, so there is a possibility to misuse of power. They may discriminate, they may misuse their financial resources even. So it is most important to prevent the interest of those religious groups who are in minority. Yes. Now numbers next. To protect the freedom of the individual. As an individual, every citizen, single citizen, every citizen has fundamental right to practice their own religion, has right to freedom of their own religion. Yes, they may prosper. They may believe any god and goddesses. They may chant anything. They may sing any hymns. with on which God they believe. So it is their right. It is every individual's right, being an Indian, to practice your own religion. Now, most important point, to protect fundamental rights. Now, fundamental right must not be violated when we talk about any religious matter, any on the basis of equality, on the basis of freedom, cultural, educational rights. No, fundamental right is the conscience of the Indian Constitution. Yes, it is the base. It prevents in every individual's right. So as an individual also, as an Indian citizen, we must not violate fundamental rights. Yes, we have to respect. So in secularism, state and religion, they both are separate. State does not promote any single religion. State keeps distance. Why? Why it is? Because it is most important to function democratically. It is important to prevent religious groups of minority from the cruelty or the tyranny of the majority. Now, next, to promote each and individual's freedom and to protect fundamental rights. Yes. Now, here, how secular is India? Now, we must know that we are residing in free nation, we are residing in secular country, we are residing in free country where all the religious group, whether Sikh, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Zoroastrians, Buddhist, and Jainis, we all live together in a very harmonious way, in very peaceful way, in very prosper way. Yes, this is what a most important topic of secularism, that state officially does not promote any religion. And the topic is what? It is important to separate religion from the state. I hope if you would have understood. If not, no problem. Again, we shall discuss in the regular class. Thank you.